Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following pair is the strongest acid? Give reason for your choice. The acids provided to us are phosphoric acid and sulfuric acid. तो हमें find out करना है कि इन दोनों में से कौन सा acid will be stronger. The key concept is acidic strength of H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, versus H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. तो इन दोनों एसिड्स की एसिडिटी कंपेयर करने के लिए और एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ कंपेयर करने के लिए हम दो फैक्टर्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. So acidic strength in this case depends upon or can be understood on the basis of electronegativity of central atom and oxidation state of central atom. अब ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ को कैसे अफेक्ट करेंगी उसे देख लेते हैं. तो electronegativity, which is the tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. अगर ये central atom here is phosphorus and sulfur. Okay, so more the electronegative atom, central atom, more will be the acidic strength. अब because phosphorus and sulfur यहाँ पे नॉन मेटल्स हैं, अगर इन पे ये जितने ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होंगे वो उतना strongly shared pair of electrons को अपनी तरफ attract करेंगे, which will ease the removal of proton. तो electronegativity value अगर देखें तो sulfur has electronegativity value of 2.58, whereas phosphorus has electronegativity of 2.19. That means sulfur is more electronegative element as compared to phosphorus. So the acid containing sulfur will be more acidic. अब second factor देख लेते हैं, which is oxidation state of central atom. Oxidation state कैसे affect करते हैं? More the oxidation state of central atom, more will be the acidic strength. Okay, for the similar reason कि these elements, phosphorus and sulfur, these are electronegative elements, तो ये अपने तरफ ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर सकते. तो अगर ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा तो वो और ज्यादा टेंडेंसी से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेंगे, which will again ease the removal of proton. तो oxidation state find out करते हैं in both the acids. Oxidation state will be 3 plus x. X is the oxidation state of phosphorus जो हम find कर रहे हैं, minus 8, because oxidation state of the charge on hydrogen is +1 and 3 hydrogen है यहाँ पे, तो 3 हो जाएगा, and oxidation state of oxygen is -2 और 4 ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट हैं तो 4 into -2 is equal to -8. On solving this, we will get x is equal to +5. Similarly, 2 into 1, 2 plus x is the oxidation state of sulfur -8. तो x becomes +6. तो यहाँ पे oxidation state of sulfur is greater, hence sulfuric acid will be more acidic. तो हमने दोनों factors से देखा that sulfuric acid is more acidic or stronger acid than phosphoric acid. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.